Ladies and gentlemen, this is breaking news that comes out of the Tennessee, North Carolina area. 5 earthquakes rattle Tennessee, North Carolina border, USGS says. Today, 5 earthquakes shook near the Great Smoky Mountain National Park in East Tennessee early Tuesday morning, according to the US Geological Survey. The first quake registered at 7:48 in the morning and lasted until about 11:56 in the morning on Tuesday, USGS data shows. They were all small, between magnitudes of 1.3 and 1.7. The cluster of earthquakes hit in a small area, which is about 25 miles southwest of Knoxville, near the North Carolina border, according to the USGS. They were likely too small to be felt by people within the area. Again, this is breaking news. 5 earthquakes rattled Tennessee, North Carolina border, USGS says. Stay tuned for more news. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you on the next video. And with that, I'm going to say salama, salama.